Film that.
What? Pretty cool. Take yours.
Back in my mansion, my butler does this for me.
We are here. We have arrived. And the boys are already trying each other's food. What you got there, Alex?
Oh, it's like sushi.
What you got?
Well, I know I have a salad, but Doug's got this like sushi thing going
What you
on.
got, Doug?
It's sushi and salmon.
Grilled smoked salmon with a cabernet sauce mixed with a Chauvin some sort of sourish, very yummy sauce on the top.
And we're in a beautiful environment here. We can actually see the shore going by. Just lovely. We are so lucky we actually got on the cruise. And, well, what, boys, so far? Do you think it's going to be worth it? All the trouble that it took to get here?
10 out of 10.
I do, in order to attract the opposite sex.
That wasn't the thing?
Well, I think he should take a book. Personally, anyway, he should take a book and he should go into the public library and publicly read there. So if teenagers walk by of the opposite sex, they'll look in and they'll be like, hey, that guy is intelligent. And then they'll walk over and Doug will be like, yeah, no big deal, reading Stephen Hawking. Yeah.
No.
And it's just To Kill a Mockingbird.
How about To Kill a Mockingbird? I'll be like, this is just my third read. You know? Third read through. I gotta see all the symbols.
So using
That's
this,
creative. He's got the imagery down. And they'll be like, oh my god, he's so smart. Let's hang out tomorrow.
December 28th. This is a promenade that you can walk all the way around and get some exercise. And I'm going to do that this morning. And oh my gosh, what a lovely morning. Just a light breeze, cool breeze, but nice and warm and sunny. Oh, I see you have an interesting looking meal there. What you got?
I've got watermelon and some cantaloupe. I've got baked beans, bacon, eggs, and sausages, and some strange looking hash browns.
What do you got, Doug?
What? This iced tea is just tea that is cold. There's no sugar in it. It is very disgusting.
And I'm having a pretty healthy breakfast. I'm enjoying it. It's good. You can get whatever you want here, including omelets made to order. We're in Racklesport on the boat. Very, very nice atmosphere in here. We're enjoying ourselves. $86 degrees Fahrenheit in Costa Maya.